Very good evening, friends. I'm Nalnakshi Swami. Welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. I'm analyzing the Nifty chart. Due to the severe bloodbath in the US market, you can see the Dow Jones falling 2,231 points. That is nearly 5 points. All the indices, almost 6%, nearly 6% drop in them. And due to that, our market is showing 2.75% drop in GIFT Nifty. So what can happen in our market? So how to trade the indices? Here, I've applied this cycle, 3 cycles. I had already mentioned in Friday morning video that market, if it starts breaking below 23,090, a new cycle will start. Already it has started here. It completed the 2 cycles, 1, 2. And the third cycle is up to 22,305 and 22,232. So this is the level 1, 2, 3, 3.14. I've already explained in my previous video how I see for market cycles. When the market gaps down to, if it gaps down to this level, so it is completing the 3 cycles. When it is completing 3 cycles, so there will not be much sell-off in the market, or if it gaps down a little bit here, 22,566, you can anticipate for a down move in the market. The strategy should be down. If it gaps down to this exact, to this level, 22,305 and 22,232, you need not go for pressing the button for sell button in the market. You should wait for some time, and market, after the huge gap down, the market may react and some sort of pullback will be seen in the market. Intraday pullback will be seen in the market. Suppose if I measure this is 600 points, the halfway through will be 22,521. It may not recover 521, at least 200 to 300 points recovery may be there in the market. So let me take out this. So the strategy should be only if it gaps halfway through 22,571, there will be further sell-off to 22,305 to 22,232. Suppose if it doesn't gap down to that level halfway through, then you need to wait for the pullback and you need to go short in the market. Market may not recover. So we need to see how the market opens and what sort of gap down, whether it will be 600 points gap down or 300 points gap down, we need to see. So I am going to enable the market profile. This is on the weekly Spaceman market profile I'm enabling, and the weekly POC are placed, point of control is placed around 22,245. This is weekly one. And other POC are at 22,507. So let me mark this. And 22,245. Let me move it to this level. So that is exactly 3 cycles, 3 market cycles. So the market, how it opens, how it trades, that matters today. So I don't think gap down 600 points we can see, or it can gap down only 300 and then it can proceed to another 300 points. So that is a question mark in the market. And if it gaps down exactly to this level, some sort of pullback can be seen in the market. And let me take out this market profile. If I take out this market profile, market has continuously came down around this area in this candle, 22,081 to 22,341, market has turned around. So if we consider this candle as the circle for our trade, the 180 degree is placed around this level. So it is a good thing if it holds this level. I'm analyzing only Nifty chart just for the sample analysis. Bank Nifty also may undergo through lot of correction in the market. It is due actually. Actually, this type of up move should not be seen in the market because this is a V-shaped recovery. When it is a V-shaped fall and straight away fall, it has been recovered with a straight away up move. This type of up move is not very good for the market. Anyway, it is correcting. So we need to see whether the correction will continue further down below 21,964 or whether it is going to hold this position and market try to reverse its direction. That is the question mark actually. Okay, friends, thank you very much. This is the analysis for the Monday. You can look for these levels on your chart. So the chart from here, the market cycle has started from this candle. That is from the low of 22,058 to 22,416 and the midway point is 22,232. That is 180 degree of this candle circle. So probably if the market dips down to this level and if it returns some sort of pullback, you can see in the market. Thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.